In this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps from bike to car. So if you want to change your Google Maps directions from a bicycle to a car, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our Google Maps. So let's go and click on Google Maps. And then from here, you need to click on turning on your location services because otherwise the application won't work. And if you do that, you just need to select the location. So I'm just going with this in here. Let's select this city. And then I'm going to click on directions. And then I'm going to click on Tulsa again as my starting point. And it doesn't matter which point, of course, you're selecting. It just needs to be a distance that is coverable by bike. So as you can see, this distance is coverable by bike. It takes 46 minutes, but we want to change this to driving. So if you want to do that, we are going to click on this button for driving in here. And if you do not see this directly, then you should probably see it like this. And if you're wondering what to do then, you're going to click on this bicycle person, and then you will see this menu popping up. So then you're just going to click on drive, and then that is how you change it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.